talk about section 3.2.2. This section is all about the measurements of a triangle. What you need to know here is that triangles add to 180 degrees. So to be able to do these problems, you can simply add your two given angles together. So I got 40 there and 80 there. That gives me 120. And I would do 180 minus 120. And I'm left over with 60. I don't know why I'm starting with a 40. This works for any of these problems. You can just simply add together your given two and subtract from 180. So here, I would add these two together. 75 plus 55 would give me 130. So I do 180 minus 130, which is 50 for an answer. And my final one, or of this row, I guess I should say, I'm going to add together 113 and 15. That gives me 128. So I'm going to do 180 minus 128 to figure out what x will be here. So 180 minus 128, I get 52 for this problem. Anytime you see this box, remember to always think 90. So it's the same type of problem. I'm going to add 90 and 41 together, and that's going to give me 131. And now I'm going to do 180 minus 131, which will give me 49. Doing our next one, we add them together. I get 73 and 81, which gives me 154. Subtract out 180, and I get x equal to 26. Final one, I'm going to add them together. That's going to give me 84. 180 minus that 84, 96, I believe. Okay, so these problems are very much so, you're only given $180 to spend. How much money do you have? My next couple, 7 and 8, they deal with this exterior angles theorem. So basically what this says is that your two remote interior angles, so that would be the A and B I've labeled here, they equal your third one. So A plus B will always equal C on the outside. So if I'm labeling this, I got A, I got B, my two inside my triangle, and then C, my one outside. So 41 plus X equals 99. Well, super easy. We're just going to subtract 41 from both sides. Nice one-step problem here. X equals 58. And I can do the same thing with 8. Here, I got A, I got B. They're both X's, but doesn't matter. We're just labeling right now. And I got C on the outside. So X plus X is equal to 142. X plus X is 2X. Which equals 142, and here, opposite action, we're just dividing out that 2, and I'll be left with x equal to 71. Our last ones combine a lot of different things here that we've learned throughout the course. So, for example, I see the 32 here. Remember, vertical angles are congruent, which means I can move the 32 inside. Well, now I have a setup just like what I had here at 7. So I got A is 32, B is X, and a C at 105. So 32 plus X equals 105. Subtract our 32, and X will equal 73. Very similar things that we did before, you just remembering the vertical angles. The next one, we can do a lot of the same stuff. We just have to remember supplementary angles. Remember that supplementary, add to 180. So, I know this is 105 over here. To get the inside angle, I got to do 180 minus 105, which leaves me with 75. So this is 75 in here. Same thing here. I need to move to the inside, so I got to do 180 minus 46, which would leave me with 34. So 34 on the inside. So now my insides are A, B, my outside C. So I could set up X will equal 75 plus 34, means X will equal 109. So it's a lot of moving pieces here, but it's all stuff that we're building upon and we can work with.